Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're an Apple Watch user in 2025, you might be wondering how to make your device discoverable for seamless pairing with your iPhone or other gadgets. Don't worry, I'm here to walk you through it step by step. This process is straightforward and will get you connected in no time, especially with the latest Watch OS updates. First off, let's clarify what discoverable means. It simply allows your Apple Watch to be detected by nearby devices via Bluetooth, which is essential for setup or troubleshooting. Start by ensuring your Apple Watch is fully charged and turned on. If it's not, plug it in and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. Next, grab your iPhone and head to the Settings app. Tap on Bluetooth and make sure it's toggled on. This is your gateway to discovery, so double-check that it's active. Now, open the Watch app on your iPhone. It's the one with the colorful watch icon. If you don't have it installed, quickly download it from the App Store. In the Watch app, go to the My Watch tab and select your device. If it's not showing up, tap All Watches and look for an option to Pair New Watch. For 2025 models running Watch OS 12 or later, Apple has added improved discovery features, so ensure your software is up to date. To check for updates, go back to the Watch app, select General, and then Software Update. Install any available updates to avoid issues. If your Apple Watch still isn't discoverable, try restarting both your watch and iPhone. Hold the side button on your watch until the power off slider appears, slide it to shut down, and then turn it back on. On your iPhone, just hold the side buttons until you see the power off option. And there you have it, your Apple Watch should now be discoverable and ready to pair. This quick fix can save you a lot of frustration. If you run into any problems, drop a comment below, and I'll help out. Thanks for watching, smash that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more 2025 tech tips. See you next time.